But chill, nigga, you late. Try and use me as the bait. You skip steps, I nearly nailed it in the first take. I gotta do this for the sake of my mama in that dream house sitting up right beside the lake. I can't never...
Real squid today. Complete squid today, man. It's like 85 degrees, man. And I'm about to just head to, me and my girl about to head to Baldwin Scenic Overlook. Yeah, I've actually never been. This is crazy. I've never even been here, so it's gonna be fun to climb all those stairs and just take a look at the city.
Wanna lose? We had every nigga neck, man, wanna lose. Most of these niggas feet can't even fit up in my shoes. Yo, bitch is itching, looking like she finna choose. Yeah, I hear these niggas yapping, I ain't in the mood. Nigga, nah, I ain't in the mood. My niggas mechanics, we all stepping with.
I honestly don't like leaving my bikes anywhere. I've already had my bike stolen one time. Especially with this 300. This thing is so light, it's only gonna take them 2 seconds to pick it up in the truck and just be out.
Boy, so let's see if your legs work. Skirt, skirt, pull over. Put that pussy to my lips like it's some good doja.
Want to drive up it first and then come back down and walk? So it's live and popping right now. Okay.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
No pedestrians on the roadway. This is a bike path for all types of bikes. I think this is dominantly for bicycles. Yeah, I think this is dominantly for bicycles, but it's nice going up on a bike. People really live up here? Hold on. I didn't know people lived up here. That's reckless.
It sound right, boys.
Oh yeah, this is beautiful. I know. Definitely. Well, this is crazy.
It sound right, boys.
We'll stop here for 2 seconds, take a couple pictures over there, turn it around over there. I for surely didn't know you could come up here like that. Oh, there's a car too. Pretty cool, pretty nice. We did? Oh yeah, we did come up here on the bike. I mean, on the car, right? Oh, for real? Dude, this is nice. Right, for sure. It's like the only thing to do right now. Nah. Most people. Exactly. Most people though, if you look, 90%, but everybody goes. So you done with this jacket, right?
Way too hot.
Good. I was about to say, don't keep it on now. Street comedy. Bro, it's getting ugly, huh? It's almost like you gotta move. We can go over there and get on. All right, that was a nice little stop right there. Let's keep it going up a little bit longer. I want to see how high this actually goes. We really got dudes in the middle of both sides. It's pretty comedy. Oh, it's an actual little parking area. It's pretty cool. Let me see. I'm probably just gonna turn around. Wanna head back down? Or what? Okay. Yeah, pretty cool. I guess this is the final point right there. It'd be cool to come hiking here, huh? Yeah, it's definitely a hiking trail though. It's pretty cool. Got a mesh up. We're about to neutral down this whole hill. People not even gonna hear a bike behind them. Maybe should keep it on so they hear me. Yeah, it's all good. Don't even have to scare them. And I like that I only have to press the button once. I don't have to hold the little start button. That's dope.
Yeah.
I didn't even mean to turn it on right there. They really don't hear me. You good? He said, my bad. I'm really on a bike. It's funny how just because it's a motorcycle, nobody get mad though. Like if you're doing this type of stuff in a car, they be like, move! They get mad. Thank you.
Didn't even notice it says no pedestrians on roadway.
Oh no, I saw that. I was talking about that when I was coming up. This says no people on this.
Get to the right in case the car's coming.
Oh yeah, you're right. I blanked out for a sec. I know, it's funny. As soon as we started coming up here, people was all in the middle.
Yeah.
Really his house though.